Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wray's Garage. Haven't done much to the Porsche lately, still trying to iron out some kinks in the suspension, but I did get, because racing season is upon us, I got this beautiful piece of kit here from Jarrett over at Raceseng. So, amazing piece of kit here, you know, a big tow hook, who cares, right? You know, I don't get off the track, I don't have any issues. Well, in case I do, I have this. But to kick it up a notch and to hopefully convince you to start watching some of my GoPro stuff when I'm actually on the track, this particular unit here, I can attach a GoPro. So you got this little GoPro mount doohickey, goes right on the hook. Now I can get you low to the ground and maybe give you an impression I'm going more than 7 miles an hour. So I'm super pumped to get that underway. Obviously, pretty much a plug and play issue on the Porsche, but I'll show you me getting that job done. But really love that. There are multiple colors you can get for the hook itself. I went with the red to keep the black, white, and red motif going. And my goodness, this is heavyweight, high quality stuff here. Love it. All right, in case any of you were unsure how to screw an object in, I figured I'd show you here. So let's get this out of the way here. Now, we'll decide later on how cute I plan on getting with this, i.e., do I cut a hole in this, or do I just let the gap live on? If you have any opinions about that, I'd love to hear them. Here's the unit up close, a thing of distinct beauty. Hope you'll agree. And then, this is the hard part, everyone. Need a lot of tools for this. Alright, so I may have to do some monkeying with this just in order to straighten this out, which is fine, we can do that. Then we have this guy, which will sit perfectly on here. Well, it does look like I have a different set screw here, so there's a set screw in the bottom. So you see that? I'll need a hex bit. I may even be able to reuse that, unless this one sits more flush. Yeah, this one sits in there. But I assume this replaces this, drops right on there, instant GoPro mount. So double duty here, and I'm hoping that with race season starting here in Arizona, we can get you a little bit of look about what's going on at the front of the car when we're dodging cones or taking corners and so on. Now, if I was doing this correctly, I would have gone here. So I'm probably going to recommend you do that, as I'm about to butcher this, I'm sure. But I did get a smooth-edged little adjustable wrench here because I want to try and see if I can just get this to free up a little bit. Now we'll tighten this in. Lock that here. Wrong way. Okay. Get you around there more. Alrighty. Now we're locked in. And that is the tow hook in place. So, like you can see here, hopefully, there is a gap there. So, as to what I do about that, I'm not completely sure right now. This on, so I can put the GoPro mount on and give you the full experience here. Fits very snugly in there, which is obviously pretty important so you don't get a lot of shake on your footage. Now, another recommendation, install this before you put on the car. And to finish it off, just to show the pure class of this piece, you even get a Raceseng emblazoned locking pin. So you'll be putting that on, in theory, and jam your GoPro in there, and yeah, should really enhance some racing footage. So like I said, 2 for 1. can get off the track safely and beautifully when you're not in use. Get all the boy races all fired up in game when you're at a traffic light, and then take footage when you're driving around. All right, so we're headed out for a drive. We're going to show perspective of windshield versus tow hook location. Let's see how it goes.